Hello everyone, welcome to my review and analysis of my previous swings trades of US stocks. My name is Andrei Frolov. I live in Russia, Moscow region. I speak Russian, Arabic and English. I am swing trader. I use technical analysis on the chart for patterns and the right picture to trade. I trade US company stocks from and above 500 million market cap. Risk warning and disclosure. This video is not a financial advice. Remember, trading is very difficult with the risk of losing money. So if you don't know what you are doing and have the time, skills, and the right character and a lot of experience, you most likely will lose money. So the first stock that I will show you of my previous trades is company called ALBEMARLE. ALBEMARLE. So here, as you can see, I have on the right side the daily chart. On the left side up is a 1 hour chart, and below is a weekly chart. So on the 6th of October 2021, I bought the stocks at the price of 215. As you can see, the green line here represents that I bought the stocks at 215. Okay, so that was on the 6th of October 2021. And on the next day, 7th of October 2021, the stock went up more and I sold the stock. So I bought it at the price of 215 here, and I sold it next day around 226 price. So I made almost $10 on this stock. So it was 2 days and I made $2. So I'm a swing trader and don't hold position forever. I just looking for a nice bounce to get a profit for a nice bounce of the stock. Okay. So the next stock is Apple. Apple, as you can see here on the daily chart, it was 6th of October here on the hourly chart. 6th of October, the stock, I bought it at a price of 139. 139. As you can see, there was a consolidation here for a days and support level at the price of between 140 and 139. So I bought it at the price of 139 on the 6th of October 2021. And on 7th of October, the price went more high, and I sold it at the price above, a little above 143. So I made around $4 on Apple stocks on 2 days. Okay, so it went from 139 to 143. Okay. Next stock is the company CLOROX. So here is a right side is the daily chart, and on the left side hourly chart. So on the 5th of November, I bought the stock at the price of 162, because as you can see here was a support level at this price, consolidation, and we broke the consolidation up and we came back, and I expected to bounce back from this it was a resistant level here, now it became a support level, the price of 162. So I bought it on 5th of November 2021. So next week, on the 8th of November 2021, the price went more up. Okay, I kept holding the price. So on the 9th of October, I sold it at the price of 166. So I bought it at the price of 162 and I sold it at after like it took me 3 days, okay, 5th and 8th and 9. On the 9 I sold it 166, so I made $6, $4 on the stocks, on the CLOROX stocks, okay. So here we have a company called, next company called Dominion Resource. So Dominion Resource, here up you can see 30 minutes chart, and below it's daily chart. So here we have consolidation between the price of $72.05 and $72. So I bought it on the 13th of October 2021 at the price around $72.25. Okay. On the next day, the stock went up, and I closed the trade at the price of little above $74. So the next day, I locked the profit and closed the trade around like $1, $1.50, almost $2, almost $2. Okay. The next stock is eBay, company called eBay. So here is the daily chart, here is the hourly chart, and here is below 10-minute chart. So as you can see, there's big consolidation around the price of 64 on the daily chart. So I bought the stock at the price of a little below 64 on the 23rd of December 2021. Okay, as you can see here on a 10-minute chart, here's the entry point. Okay. On the next week, 27, the stock went up more. I kept on holding. I did not close because I expect to go more. And on the 28th, it kept going more also. Here you can see. So on the 29th of December, I closed the trade, and I took $2. I bought at 64, as you can see here, and I sold it at 66. So it's almost as, here is the line is measuring more than 3% of this stock. So it's $2 I made on this trade. Next stock is Microsoft. Microsoft, here is the daily chart, the weekly chart here. Here is the hourly, and here is I believe a 10-minute chart. So here you can see a consolidation on the daily chart and even on the hourly chart between $285 and $282. So I bought it around 282 and a half on the 4th of October 2021. And the stock continued to go up and went to 229 next day. I kept on holding, I did not close. So on the 6th, the stock went more, so I closed the trade at the price of 292 and a half. So I made around $10 on this stock. So it took me one day, second day, third day. On third day, I closed the trade for a profit of $10 on Microsoft. The next stock is Nike. Nike, as you can see, this stock went down a lot down. Here we have some support levels at the price of what. Here is a daily chart, here is a hourly chart. So on the hourly chart, you can see like support level 149. One day it stopped here and went up. Next day went down and it went back up. So I bought it at 143 because I believe it will go up. So that was on 11 of January 2022. So on the next day, the stock went up as I expected, but I did not close the trade. So I made here next day on $2. I bought at 149. I did not close. I waited for the next day. The next day, unfortunately, I wanted to close it at 153 and lock $4, but the stock came down and did not return. I could not have the possibility. I waited for the next hour of trading to close, maybe, but it in one day it took all my profit because I closed the stock with zero profit because I thought it will go down, and actually it went down. The stock now at the moment of my recordings went to 140. So it's good in swing trader. If I see the stock is going against me, I will close and exit, and will look for a next time to re-enter because. But here I did not have time to close and take the profit. I had the profit, but the market took it from me. So as you can see, market, if you're not quick to take your profit, it will take the profit in one day. So 2 days it took to the stock to go for $4, and one day all this profit gone. Okay. So next stock is a company called PELOTON Interactive. As you can see here, the daily chart, and here is the hourly chart, and here is the weekly chart. So on the daily chart, you can see here support level. It's around 82 and 82. Okay. So I bought the stock below 82. It was 81 on the 6th of October 2022, and on the 7th of October 2002, next day it went up, and I closed the stock at the price of 86. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, around $5 profit on this trade. But stock continued to go more up. So I just fixed it because I have fixed targets on the trades. Next stock is Zoom Communication. So here you can see the daily chart. Here is a 10-minute chart, and here is hourly chart. So here also you can see consolidation around the price of 255. Okay, so I bought the stock at a price of 255 on the 8th of October 2021. Okay, so next trade, the stock opened below this price, went up, and then went down. I kept on holding this stock for the next day. So on the 12th, it also open around and keep consolidating. For I hold it for 3 days, and the stock is keep going up and down and consolidating around this price. And on the fourth trade only, the stock like very went up high speed and give me a price, and I reached my target goal, and I closed around 267.5. So I took around like $10-12 on this stock. It took me 4 days to reach my target of the profit. So this is all my trades, previous trades I showed you. Okay. I can offer you trading service in which you give me access to your trading platform, not to the account, so I can trade and manage the portfolio of your account and risk management for 50% only of the profit from the trades as my service commission for accounts from 30,000 and above. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for your support, and turn on the notifications. My contact email in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and good luck.